think it is gonna go down. See, yeah, it's broke that little region there. So we'll put it in.
Order filled.
And it is a bit of a, I don't know, I think it could be a bit of a risky one, like. So it's currently mine. This is going to be a mad one because it's because of how the market's been moving today. So when it's in brackets, that's minus, and then when it's going positive, so $100 in profit now.
So can you make any money off this or no?
Yeah, yeah, I can make money.
You said it's a funded account.
It's a funded account, yeah, but once you get past the funded account, you can, whatever you're in profit by, you can then pay out. It'll struggle to break past it completely all the way. But once it drops past this region where the price was going up and down loads, once it gets past it and goes past it should just go take a massive.
So if you see it like since half past, it's been nearly 5 minutes,
Yeah.
and does that change?
The only change really has been 3,350 to 3,345.
Yeah.
But it's going to struggle to get past this bit because it's so much of a buy that it'll get to this bit, it'll go up a bit, and then you'll see another red candle form.
Is there a chance it could like just get to like, shoot up like?
Yeah, there's a chance it could go either way, really. Yeah. See, there's another green candle there, so it could go even further this way, and if it does, then I'll just cancel it
Right.
and take the loss. Because if it carries on going further up, then I've lost it there.
Well,
You see how it's now minus 150 because the price is going back up. But that's why you put a stop loss on so you don't lose too much. But because it's just the way it's moving today, like it is a risky one, like I said. It could go either way. But I'm hoping because it was struggling to break this price here that it's just gonna keep on falling down.
so what's the good thing you want?
Like how much money do I want?
Yeah, like what's a good shot you need right now
I need
to make money?
need the red. So I'm in for a sell. I need the red to go down here. I need it to be more red and keep on going down instead of going upwards. See how like there's so much red going down here.
Yeah.
It should keep on following its pattern and go further down, which it sort of is doing on the 5 minute. But on the 1 minute, you'll see it moving like mad. Where it'll be a green candle, then it'll be red, and then green and red. But the movement, how it looks like it's going, it looks like it's going down further and further.
So you could make more money if it gets like down here.
Yeah, fully. So like we're at $200 in profit at the moment, and it's only moved $5. So imagine if it goes down to 3,300 and it's $50. Could be like, don't know how much, but it could be it could be
You're
a
making
decent.
money now.
Yeah. So
Instead of 300.
it's now it's 300. Like I said, it just struggled to beat that price down at this 1 minute. Struggled to get past this range. Now it's trying to go through it now, and it is.
That's what you want.
That's what you want, yeah. That's what you want.
Makes sense.
$400 something now.
It's been
Which
what,
is
7 minutes?
7 minutes, yeah. And usually you leave it for like an hour on this New York Open. You do it like the New York Open, the first hour there's loads of more money being put into it because all the Americans wake up and they're like, time to get in for a sale today. Or whatever else people may do.
See if it gets. Yeah, it's gone down to the halfway mark of that green.
Yeah, and it is, yeah. That's like this could be a massive trade if it pays off. There's $500 in profit at the moment. If it goes down to where it could be like. But you see how much it moves? It was $500 in profit. It's just moved a tiny bit. Now it's $300 in profit. But you just gotta like take out the emotion and go like, that's not, you know what I mean? Like we're knowing there which way it should be going, and like it will struggle initially to break through here, but if it does,
So it's failing to get through.
yeah, it's struggle. There's support. So like every time it tries to break that price, it'll go up a tiny bit. But then because there's so much selling pressure from the New York Open, everyone's probably woke up in the New York Open and thought there's a massive opportunity. As soon as the price gets to here, massive opportunity for a lot of money there. That's $30 or something like that. Whereas not much there's hardly any support and resistance. There's hardly any of this where it's like the price is struggling to going up and down. there's nothing there, so it should just go like a red candle all the way down,
What if it's all the way down?
making loads of money. Probably I'll pass the funded. If it goes down to here, it could pass the funded account.
Meaning what?
Any future money that I make, I can just take out and withdraw it.
So can you take out that?
No, because I'd have to pass it. But then if I pass the funded account and then made, let's say I just decided to cancel it now at $300, you could then get $300 paid out. That's why people use funded accounts, because if you've got more money to trade with, you make more money. Do you know what I mean? But with funded accounts, you do it in such a way where you can't lose so much money.
We went from 0 to 400.
Where? 0 to 400. Mad, isn't it?
What a matter of 12 minutes.
12 minutes, yeah. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy, isn't it? How much you can actually make from it. Let's hope another red candle forms here. 'Cause now it's going to go. Now it's going back up now. Now I've noticed that this support level here, if it doesn't break through a certain support level, then it could reverse and go the other way. Because if it struggles to break through this price, then it'll just change. It'll change and start going upwards. Because people will notice it's not going down, so go for a buy. Let's see the 5 minute there.
Yeah.
So it might be worth getting out of it, but I'll see how it is in a couple of minutes. If it carries on going up like this, then I'll just get out. Yeah, it looks like it might be going back up, to be honest. If it goes through this level now, then I'll just cancel it.
Yeah, but you're being in the negative.
Yeah, but it is what it is. I'd rather be in a negative, a small amount, than be in a negative, a massive amount. If it goes to, so my stop loss is at like $200 something. If it goes to 200, can't remember. If it goes to around that range, it'll just clear me out anyway. Yeah. But that's why you hold it, because it could now just go boop and just fall all the way down. But I don't know. See, now got a massive red candle. Now we're at already $200 in profit. So you got to be like, if you read in the chart, you know it's going to go down to this level, and you're thinking like it just looks like it is because the price is struggling to go past the New York market's open. So usually when New York market opens, like the market either carries on going the same way but with a massive push, or reverses and goes the other way with a massive push. This New York session, we're doing it for the hour.
By the only hour?
Because in the first hour, that's when the majority of the money's being put in. So all these people are waking up, like all big bankers, like all these massive companies who've got loads of money in America, in New York and stuff. They'll be sitting there going, right, it's time to sell gold. It's time to buy. And if you've got more money and you're selling gold, then it'll push gold even further down. Do you know what I mean? But then there we go. Now it's falling 550. So now you've just got to have like patience and also a bit of a emotional detachment for money. You know what I mean? Because if you start saying, "Oh, I'm losing $100," oh no, I need to cancel it, and then if you cancel it, then you would have missed out on potential $500 if you decide to cancel it. We'll see. If it breaks 340, we are in. Yeah. So that's just the price of it.
It's going up.
Yeah, going up a tiny bit. But I'm confident because it's the highest it's been. Unless some news comes in, it's the highest gold's been
Oh my
for
god.
ages.
Why not?
Oh, like, yeah, I pretty much, I watched this one and then didn't get in. I was like, wow, why didn't I get into that? I didn't think it was going to drop that much. But I was like, oh, I should have got into that. It was proper annoying. Because that's when New York opened, and then it went, dropped down here.
So that means new day's happening.
Yeah, this is it. So that was the Wednesday, this is the Thursday.
What's the highest it's ever been?
Go out to the week time frame. But there is news at 3 o'clock. So this news could push the price even further. I don't know what it is. So like there was news here, there was like sort of news at this time, and apparently like Americans were losing jobs or something. So the US dollar went down, and it's traded. This is gold to the US dollar. So if the US dollar goes down a massive amount, usually it means that gold's going to go up. and vice versa. If the dollar goes up loads, gold should be going down as well. $800 there.
And that's what you made.
Well, that's what I'm currently on. That's in a minute, so it's breaking through this level now. On the minute. I'll just try and get it to go down. Once it breaks through here, we're laughing.
Picture what? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and it is now. Because like see how it's like a red candle and a green candle, and at the same level. Like that's what you look for like areas of support and resistance.
So imagine if someone had like what, $1 million. Just
Yeah.
and they bought so many of that, would that go up?
Yeah. So imagine this. So like this is a $50,000 account. So if someone had $1 million, once I pass the account, if I'm $5,000 in profit, so if I'm $55,000, I can take out $5,000. Do you know what I mean? Or I can keep it in and try and grow the account and make the account bigger. But usually just take the money out every month. Or just buy new accounts.
So what if you get to 100,000? So you start at 50 and then you get to 100.
Then I could either take out 50 grand, or I could either take out 50 grand, or I could keep it in the account and make more money from my trades. Because I'd have
Could
even
do, like,
more capital to play with.
Take out like what, 25 grand?
And then keep you with
20,
25.
yeah.
Yeah. But what I'd probably do, what would make most sense, is take the whole 50 grand out and then buy more funded accounts. So buy like a 200k account. Do you know what I mean? Because then that 200k. So this is on $750 at the moment. You times that by 4. 750 times 4. It'd be $3,000 on a 200k account. That makes sense, like, because you'd have 4 times the amount. So you could, if you had a 200k account, you could make stuff. You can make like $3 grand a day usually. Do you know what I mean? Just from one trade, like on a New York Open and stuff. But because of this news that at this time, I don't know if it's going to push the price up further. I don't know if it's going to break this zone.
Thanks for watching this video. My little brother has to leave shortly after this and decided, right, we'll cancel this trade out just before the news opens, because I was seeing at 3 o'clock the news was going to come on and I was thinking the news is going to push the price to a stupid level, so I'm just going to take my profits right now, otherwise I could be in a risky one. And that's exactly what happened. You can see right here that luckily I closed the profit around $850, and then the news decided to push it all the way to a stupid level. So, oh well, doesn't matter. We're all good. We managed to get out at the perfect time. So this is a little tip for you guys if you're going to be trading prop firms and there is a lot of news sessions throughout your day. Make sure you cancel the orders before the news ends. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This was just a fun little video, just messing about with my little brother, showing him how to make a trade. He's only 13, so I was trying to explain it to him in proper simple terms, but I thought a lot of people would enjoy the video.